Nature has blessed humanity with an abundance of remarkable plants that possess incredible medicinal properties. Among these botanical treasures is Nigella sativa, commonly known as black seed or black cumin. This small flowering plant has been hailed as a divine gift due to its extensive health benefits and therapeutic applications. From ancient civilizations to modern times, Nigella sativa has remained a revered and cherished herbal remedy. Originating from the Mediterranean region, Nigella sativa has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Its use can be traced to ancient Egypt, where it was found in the tomb of the Pharaoh Tutankhamun, highlighting its significance even during that time. The seeds of Nigella sativa have been mentioned in various religious texts, including the Bible and the Quran, further emphasizing their esteemed status. The potency of Nigella sativa lies in its numerous active compounds, most notably thymoquinone, which is responsible for many of its medicinal properties. Thymoquinone exhibits anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer activities, making it a truly remarkable substance. These properties have caught the attention of researchers and scientists worldwide, leading to extensive studies and clinical trials to uncover the full potential of Nigella sativa. One of the most prominent applications of Nigella sativa is in supporting the immune system. It has been found to enhance immune function, promote the production of antibodies, and stimulate the activity of natural killer cells. These immune-boosting effects are particularly valuable in an era where infectious diseases pose significant threats to global health. Additionally, Nigella sativa has demonstrated its efficacy in managing various chronic conditions. It has been used to alleviate symptoms of asthma, allergies, and respiratory infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce airway inflammation and improve lung function. Furthermore, Nigella sativa has been shown to support cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, improving lipid profiles, and preventing the formation of blood clots. The benefits of Nigella sativa extend beyond respiratory and cardiovascular health. It has been recognized for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally in the management of diabetes. Studies have indicated that Nigella sativa may enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, thereby improving glycemic control. Moreover, Nigella sativa holds promise in the field of cancer research. Its potent antioxidant properties help protect cells from oxidative damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Research suggests that Nigella sativa may have anti-cancer effects against various types of cancer, including breast, colon, lung, and pancreatic cancer. While more studies are needed, the initial findings are encouraging and warrant further exploration. In addition to its therapeutic benefits, Nigella sativa is also a versatile culinary ingredient. The seeds have a pungent, earthy flavor, reminiscent of black pepper and oregano, and are often used as a spice in various cuisines. They can be sprinkled over salads, added to bread or pastries, or incorporated into herbal teas for their distinct taste and healthful properties. As with any natural remedy, it is essential to exercise caution and consult with healthcare professionals before using Nigella sativa, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. While it is generally considered safe for most individuals, it is important to determine the appropriate dosage and potential interactions. Nigella sativa, the God's gift for humanity, continues to captivate the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Its rich history, extensive health benefits, and remarkable therapeutic properties make it a truly extraordinary plant. Whether used as a natural remedy or a culinary delight, Nigella sativa has undoubtedly earned its place as one of nature's most treasured gifts to humankind. Incorporate the divine power of Nigella sativa into your life and unlock the treasure trove of health and vitality it offers. Embrace this God's gift to humanity and experience the transformative benefits it bestows upon mind, body, and soul. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.